Operation Demonstration Well 200. Install the trachea. Group water pipes to not distinguish between inlet and outlet directions. Connect the welding towards gas hogs. Connect the red and black, positive and negative European plugs. Oval protrusion corresponds to a gap. Tighten the buckle. Installation is complete. Installation fixture. During installation, pay attention to the position of the large gap, which should be close to the welding handle buckle. Sharpen tungsten electrode. Mark the length of tungsten electrode. Cutting tungsten electrode length. Install the tungsten electrode at a distance of 1.4 millimeters from the workpiece. Manually rotate the gear rings in open position. Press and hold for 2 seconds to calibrate. Preserve small hole in closed pipe material. Gas measurement. Keep the gas at 152 level. Water measurement. Maintain internal water circulation. Input pipe diameter and wall thickness. Modify parameters to increase high and low currents. Start welding. Turn welding. Welding completed.